These are a kitchen tea towel made from recycled material. I don't know how you say this brand, Dybala. It came with the box a little beat up. So if you're planning on giving these as a gift, you might not count on them coming in a great packaging. But they're 18 by 30 inches, which is rather large. I got these because they looked very similar to the Geometry tea towels, only a better price. So I wanted to see, I don't have any Geometry tea towels. I might buy some of them too to compare. They're really soft, but they're also really, really thin. And that's the Geometry ones too. I've seen the Geometry ones in the store and I've touched them, but I've not used them. But to me, this feels very similar to the Geometry tea towels. And I just love the cute prints. Let me get these spread out and show you the prints. All right, so I got this lemon one and this strawberry one, and they are very good size. Also, I believe this is just like Geometry brand. They have this little loop here. So if you have a hook you want to hang them on, they're supposed to dry really quickly as well. And now I'm gonna see how well they clean. I'm gonna clean off my counter and I will get back to you. So I would say this did a great job wiping off my counter. I actually got one end wet and cleaned it off with the wet side. And then this is so big, I had another side dry. I do feel like these would hold a lot of water without dripping. A lot of water. So if you're using these to dry things, I'm curious. Let's see how much water it will hold before it drips. So I have the lemon tea towel here, and I have 250 mils of water. Let's see if we can, I kind of think we're going to be able to get all that water in here. It did roll off a little bit before absorbing. But, well, it hasn't rolled onto the counter. Okay. Oh, yeah. No drips yet. Let's pour some more on. Got some running away here. This towel feels pretty wet. No drips though yet. Let's see if we can clean up the counter. Dry it off still. Okay, I am at the point now, I put 250 mils of water in this, and it will not dry the counter anymore. I'm wiping down the counter, but I don't know if you can tell, it's staying kind of wet. It is fully saturated. No drips though. So it's so wet that it's not going to dry anymore, but it's not dripping at all. That was 250 mils of water. It's not dripping. So I don't know. We could see, will it hold more water and not drip? Let's see. Okay, so I have 250 more mils of water. I highly doubt, like I said, this is not drying the counter anymore. But I'm curious if it will start dripping. Let's see, almost 100 mils is probably more. So yeah, about 100 more mils. Yeah, it's dripping now. Not a lot, but it's definitely not drying my counter. I have a little puddle. It didn't all soak up. So I would say 250 mils is what you can safely soak up with one of these. That's one whole kid's cup of juice, though, with one tea towel. So pretty impressive. Like I said, I haven't used Geometry before, but they look just like them. I fell in love with the cute prints, and I would definitely buy these or Geometry again, just whichever one had the print that I liked.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.